Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to copy or move a file to your mobile device from your laptop or desktop. Okay. Um, First, I'm opening my folder. You can see here, this is my video folder, and there is a file permanent delete. So first, you need to connect your mobile with laptop. You can simply connect like this. Okay. Then my mobile is asking a question that how can I share the file. So unlock your device first, then go to notification. There is a message like USB default options. Click that, then select transferring files to or Android Auto. Otherwise, you can select transferring images, any of them. Okay. After that, you will receive this kind of a page. You can see here. Then open that. Then you can simply access the folders from your mobile phones. So this is my mobile phone folder. So I'm selecting those files and deleting those files. Okay. And simply move this window here, then click here, right click, then I will select cut option, then go to that file like this is my mobile folder. Go there and select the paste option. So in this way you can simply paste a file from your PC to your mobile phone without any problems, and it will be only available on Android device, and you can do same things with your iPhone. Some basic software needs. So that's guys very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replays as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.